All right, we got a winner for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. But before I do that, I just want to say thank you to everybody who entered. We had a very, very good turnout for the giveaway. I tried to do my best to answer everybody, and I was doing good for a couple of days, but we just had so many people enter, it really got away from me. So if I didn't comment back to you, I just want to let you know that I really do appreciate you subscribing, watching, and being a part of this channel. So we went to the random picker generator, and the generator selected Joy Johnson. Joy says, congrats on 10,000 subs. The products look great, and the paint organizer is on my list. Well, Joy, take it off your list because I'm going to be sending you the paints, the organizer, and the paint paddles. All you got to do from the posting of this video, you have 7 days to contact me right here at dan@theairbrushgarage.com, so you can drop me your mailing information, and I'll get these products right out to you. So I just want to say again, thanks guys for helping me get over 10,000. I'd love your help to get to 100,000, so share this stuff out, keep watching, and we'll see you in the next video.